Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about biodiversity, and about why it's disappearing. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is a variety of life on this planet. Why is it disappearing? Simply because of humanity. There's more than 7 billion people living on this planet, and every single year that number gets bigger. With increasing numbers in population, you can see increasing numbers in buildings, roadways, railways, technologies to get us from point A to point B as conveniently as possible, in turn destroying hundreds of thousands of acres of natural forests that the plants and animals need to survive. In the search for conveniency, we build buildings, facilities, factories to produce metals and plastics, in turn pumping out toxins and polluting not only the air, but also the soil, making it impossible for animals to thrive and the plants to regrow. We then take those plastics and we throw them in landfills and on beaches to get consumed by marine life. We dump our waste and our oil into the water, killing reefs. If you look at an aerial view of our planet today, you can clearly see that our planet is dying, and we're the reason why. Biodiversity's survival depends on what we do. So I urge you to take a minute to look around and see what you can do in your local community to help. It's about time that we start giving instead of taking, because biodiversity loss is a big problem, but progress isn't impossible without change. And those who can't change their minds can't change anything. So maybe we should all change our minds about how we treat this planet before we don't have a planet left. Thank you.